Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Shopify error processing customer payments. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. First of all, verify your payment gateway setup. The first step is to check whether your payment gateway is correctly set up. Step to verify your payment gateway. First of all, go to your Shopify admin, click on Settings, then Payment. Check that your payment provider is enabled and properly configured. Ensure that the API keys and account information for the payment gateway are correct. Check that your gateway supports the customer's payment method. If you're using a third-party payment gateway, verify the account status with the payment provider directly to ensure there are no issues. Ensure Shopify Payments is enabled and configured. If you are using Shopify Payments, ensure that it is enabled and configured correctly. In order to do that, in the Shopify admin, go to Settings and then Payments. Under Shopify Payments, verify the following: active account status, supported countries and currency settings. Review any error messages or alerts under the Payment tab that indicates issues with your Shopify Payment account. Check the customer payment methods. Sometimes the payment error occurs due to issues with the customer's payment method, such as insufficient funds, expired credit card, or incorrect billing information. What to check? Check for expired or invalid cards, insufficient funds, and incorrect billing information. If the issue persists after checking these, ask the customer to try another payment method. Test the checkout process with a test order. Create a test order in your store to check if you can replicate the error and ensure that payments are processed properly. Steps for a test order: go to your Shopify admin and open your store's checkout. Add a product to the cart and proceed to checkout. Select a valid payment method and then complete the test order to check if the payments process successfully. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.